Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, we've been doing a series of miracle signs and wonders performed by Jesus and the disciples throughout Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. And I hope you're not tired yet to hear some of the same stories over and over again. Now, Jesus is the one that performed most of these miracles from Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. But on him one, he did give the disciples power to do things too. So follow me if you want to build your faith and you want to see how much power Jesus did have and how much power him did give people them. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button now. Drop a comment below. Make we hear where you think. And share this with at least one other person. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss any of what is happening here. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 10 from verse 17 to verse 24. The 72 follower them come back glad and they say, Lord, when we use your name, all the demon them do what we tell them to do. Jesus tell them, say, me did see Satan a drop out of heaven like how lightning flash in the sky. Me give you the power to walk past snake and scorpion. Me give you power, more power than where the enemy have. Nothing bad can't do no. Nobody glad say demon do when no tell them to do. When you feel glad about, I say on name right down in heaven. That the time that the Holy Spirit cause Jesus to get happy and him say, Father, you run everything in heaven and on earth. Me praise you. Me praise you cause you are sure they ain't sitting here to little picnic, but you hide them from people where things say them bright and have enough sense. Yes, Father. And that you did want to happen. My Father give me everything. I only the Father one really know the boy pick me. And nobody know really know the Father. Only the boy pick me one. And anybody else where the pick me one to make know the Father. Jesus carrying special follower them one side and said to them, say, God bless the people them. We see what unu see. Cause me I tell unu say, enough of God profit them. And whole heap of king did want to see what unu see. And hear what unu hear. But they ain't see or hear it. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.